In this video, let's learn how to use coupon on Shein app. If you have an existing or a valid coupon of Shein, and if you want to apply it for your next product or your next purchase, then let me show you how it's done. You can easily apply the coupon that you have during the checkout process within the Shein app. So let's head over to the Shein app first of all and select the product that you're trying to purchase. Once you open up the product, pick your details of the product and tap on add to cart and tap on the cart option on the top right. From your cart section, tap on checkout on the bottom right, and now it's going to take you to the section of payment if you already have added in your shipping address. If you have not, then make sure that you add it in first. Once you're in this section, you can just scroll down and you'll see a section called apply coupon. You can tap on this option and it's going to show you the section where you can add in your coupon code. So just type in your coupon code in this box and then tap on apply. Once that is done, tap on continue and your coupon will be successfully applied, and make sure that the total amount is deducted. Once that is done, you can now tap on place order and your order will be successfully placed. Along with that, your coupon will also be applied. So that's the video on how to use coupon on Shein app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.